My name's Humphries. I'm an accounting major from Midland, Texas. I'm pursuing an accounting degree and I'm doing that full time, taking 17 hours a semester, but on the side I'm also pursuing my private pilot certification. So the reason I've wanted to get my pilot's license is I've just always had a love of flying. Ever since I can remember the first time I stepped onto a plane, I've been in love with it. I enjoy hiking, camping, and really anything outside, and I think that's also kind of part why I love flying so much, because it just gives you a really good view of everything that God created. At this point, I don't know where I want this to take me in the future. With just a private pilot's license, it's not something that I can get a job with. Right now, I'm still focused on accounting and then doing flight as sort of a leisure and personal pleasure kind of thing. It has been tough to balance flight training and schoolwork. It's just, school is a lot as it is, and then adding that on top of it can be hard to handle sometimes, but it is definitely manageable. And if you are interested in doing something like getting your pilot's license or anything else that's just additional to school, it might seem like a massive challenge, but it definitely is possible, and it's definitely worth it, because if you don't try it, then later on in life you might be even busier than you are now, and it might be way harder to